Hello. I hope all of you can hear me. Uh, Good morning to everyone. Good afternoon. Uh, whatever you will take it. Just gonna say that I'm in this trade right now. I'm gonna explain to you why I'm in this trade and what I'm looking for later on. But this, this is why all the drawings are on the board, not just for the fun. Gonna explain to you in a bit. Stay with me. I'm I'm just gonna check on the streams if everything is alright, and then I can get back to you explaining why I took this trade. Hello, Mayur. Uh, I think I have already started. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Yeah, definitely. Alright. Just gonna go through why I'm in this trade, right? Gonna remove everything here. Give me a few sec, and I'll have to disconnect something before I can share everything here. There you go. Nice. Let's decide our bias first, right? Because that's the first thing you should do on Monday. That for a week where we are going, your bias should be clear, then your trade becomes more clearer, right? So what I'm aiming for is this gap, daily gap. I want market to come back down deep into this and then go wherever it wants to go. But for now, my drawn liquidity is this gap, right? Why? I think it's volume imbalance, something like that. I want market to come down to this. So my bias is short, right? What I'm looking on 1 hour chart is that we are having rejection from 50% of this area. We are coming back down from the premium. So I can definitely short here. That's one tick for me. I could see that we had a 1 hour chart FPG here. That's another thing, right? So as soon as I saw we are rejecting from 50% of that 1 hour FPG, I took step short there, entered at around 0275. My SL is above the 1 hour FPG here, and I'm aiming for one gem to something like that. Not much of a trade. It's pretty simple if you look at it. Like where we are going, uh, where is my entry is like in the 1 hour FPG, and I'm aiming for these lows. You can aim for this low as well. So that's what I'm looking for in this trade. So yeah. I can think of getting out of this low as well because we are in the London session and I don't expect it to go much lower than that. We can consolidate after taking out this low and go lower in the New York session. that can be the case. So all in all, we'll have to be careful. Plus I'm trading this on Apex account, so that trailing breakdown is not sweet thing to have. I'm just carefully watching my trade here. I'm just gonna stay on 15-minute charts because 1 minute scares me. Look at that. I'm just gonna stay on 15-minute chart for now. It's much better. Yeah, exactly. Dennis, exactly that. Just keep it simple. We don't want things to get complicated. As soon as I got reaction from that 1 hour FPG we had, I'm just gonna go back to it. This rejection weeks, I took a trade there. My bias is that we go short. I think we have already balanced this move and we have done the deeds of going upside. Now we should be coming back down to fill this gap we have on 1 day chart, and that's what I'm looking for. One hour FPG, it's pretty simple, right? You know FPGs. What are the FPGs? I don't. You're saying something else. Let me know. I can explain to you. This low can be the target as well, but I'm not gonna risk because I don't have enough buffer on this Apex account to let it go there. It's gonna be profit too early. Should that not? And we are 10 points away. Trailing SL, of course, that works too, right? But London session, I don't like to do it. It's just a silly rule for me. I'm sorry if you don't get it. I do it in New York session, but not here because it can reach back, uh, fumble some of the traders who are in short, and then always go. How about you guys? What do you trade? Look at it. It's wicking out now. I'm not gonna be worried about it too much because I know how London session works. I'm gonna stay on 15-minute chart. I don't care if it gets me out. Got 4 hour FPG. This one, right? Abhishek. If you're talking about this one, that's also I'm aiming for. That's also why I'm in this trade, because if market has to go up, right? My bias is to the short side, but even if market has to go up, it has to balance these things, right? So that also confirms it a little bit. Yeah, we do. Once you are in the trade, shouldn't be paralyzing yourself with too much, right? Oh. And this is why I don't like to trail myself. Look at it going back, especially on the London session with the NQ. Just gonna do it sometime. Yes, I can be saved from going into drawdown from trailing SL, but I'm fine with this SL as well. Yes, it depends on what type of right, and in what environment are you trading. If it's London session and mental plan and happens, it's like set and forget, man. But if you trail SL, that's a good thing too, because your session tends to move faster than session, right? So yeah, let's see if it were to be good decision or not here or not. I think that's open momentum. Yep. Yeah, I think it's gonna take me out, fortunately. This is like pre-London session trade, so I think that I can expect from it. There are some days anything about it, but I don't do it usually, so not gonna do it today as well. in a trade or in terms of trading career? In a trade, it took a insane lot of time. Like, look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle. Almost more than an hour. Thankfully, I was only trading one PA right now. I see problem here. I'm scratching my idea to go short. I don't like it now. Remove those stuff for now. Ready. Very unlucky. I don't know. Any discount code for Top Step? They are $49 right now, and let me find any if I can. Give me a sec, right? Okay. Oh, you mean in trading career? Disconnect. That's fine. In trading career, let's just say 2.5 years. In futures, at least. Started trading in around 2020. So, what year? 2021 at least. So, what year it is now? 2024. So, you can count it. It won't take too much time for you. Like, you have some good exposure to new prop firms coming in, right? Plus, ICT's content is more available on internet than it used to be, like in last 2 years. So, yeah. Sorry about that. We got too much delay in the stream, right? I'll have to fix it tomorrow. There we go. I think should done fix the voice thing at least. We did not hold the 1 hour FPG as I hoped we would. I wanted us to take out this flow, at least this flow as well. Yeah. As I said, it won't take that much of your time, right? Mayur, if I say you have more, as I said, you have more exposure to the things right now than I used to be. I used to trade, let's say, what we call retail stuff before I found out about ICT. In 2023, starting of the 2023, I started trading ICT and then I became profitable. So, if you are already onto the ICT stuff, then you should be profitable soon enough. Just put in the work and yeah. How much I am making per account? Let's say if it's 50K account, I since last 3 months average has been like $2,500, right? I'm not gonna tell you how many accounts I have, but that's it. $2,500 on account, 50K account. That's only thing I can tell you. If you are the first time user, just go on to the website, login. I think they will give you extra 20% off, as Abhishek is saying. I don't know. Once my trade gets invalid, I don't know what market's gonna do. So I'll have to wait it out till it does something where it gives me some kind of idea to which I can relate to at all in terms of taking any trades. So yeah, now this is a waiting game. Once I got stopped out. Crude oil. Let's go to crude oil. Oh, crude oil has been dumping. Look at the gap down. Sheesh. As it took out this high, we were coming back down. dump back, took out this low. No, we did not. So for what you are about, yeah, I think what happened today, right? To get filled, right. So on CL, I'm looking for this low right here plus this gap. Let's see if we can trade into it and then come back down. I think that's all for ES, I guess. A CL, I don't do CL too much. Sahil knows more about it. You can ask him in a Discord. But yeah. Yeah, man, it is a part of the game. Like it may seems confusing to you, but you're gonna get it, bro. Just continue watching ICT's video for now. Uh, Popping in any lives you can of ICT traders. If you want to trade ICT, look what they are doing, right? And learn from them, learn from ICT. I would say just keep yourself to the ICT for now when you are new. And if you get some experience, you can hop on to the other slide. What are the rules and regulation on Apex? Apex, it's a trailing drag down. That's the only thing which I don't like actually from Apex. Right, other than that, all rules are the same of top step, Apex, any prop firms. Like did Apex doesn't have EOD, end of the day drag down. They have in trade drag down, where if you are up like let's say $400 on a trade, your drag down will be minus by $400. Like in comparison to what you book, right? If your trade come back to 0 0, then even then you lost your $400 drag down. So yeah, I'm just gonna explain to you quickly here. If you got 50K account, right, with Apex, you have to achieve $3,000. You got $2,500 drawdown. Sorry. That's your target. That's your drawdown met. And I think those are the only rules you can have, like with the Apex. You can pass it in one day if you achieve $3,000. That's all. And Q is just chopping around. I got chopped in this. Took one SL. If anybody's coming just in. Like trailing breakdown without. All right, let's get done this with thing, right? Trailing breakdown. Let's say if I'm in trade, right? Focus on here right now, please. If you wanna know what is the rule, what is the fuss about trailing breakdown, right? You enter right here. Just give me a sec. Just gonna zoom in. So yeah, you enter right here. You are in a profit right now. Let's say currently trade is showing that you are up $300, right? Before that, before you took this trade, you had $2,500 drawdown total on your account. One trade, right? Now you are $300, so your drawdown becomes 2,200. They don't care what you do with this 300. You book it right here, or you get smashed and trade comes back to down. Let's just say that it was you get $100 profit, right? They're gonna cut 500 total from your drawdown, right? Now you have $2,000 drawdown. From here, if you book it or not, if your profit comes down to zero, right? Let's say your SL was $200. Yep. Your drawdown $200 minus out of 2,500 is 1,800. So that's why it becomes critical that you book your profit on your Apex accounts. Don't let your trade run if you are not confident. Just book your profit early until you get to threshold, right? It's a single phase. Yeah, it happens, Dennis. Hey Mo, I took one L here on short. I was up about $500. Got it out in loss from these two candles. I'm just gonna show it to you. These two candles. So start of the week, not good for me. But it was 15-point SL. I'm not worried about it too much. Subscribe, people, please do. I think I'm gonna come live every day on London session, or maybe in PM of New York session as well. That will be fun. We get some insane momentum in the PM session. I've been trading PM session since last 3 weeks. It has been so good to me. There are no consistency rule with Apex. Yes, you can pass it in one day. They don't care. But in a funded account, there are. But once you get funded, hit me up. I'll explain to you. If you can trade $3,000 trade, you can pass it in one day. Nice, good one, Dennis. Elite trader funding. How about their payments to India? Like, how do they pay to Indian traders? Does anybody know? Yep, I think we're gonna go and fill this stuff gap here on CL. With the NQ, it's doing totally opposite of what I thought. I wanted it to take out this low, but I'm just gonna mark it out. So in future, if it does, it's gonna keep an eye on those and this high here. Yeah, we'll be live on New York session, AM session, the most important session in Discord. All right, let's answer some question in the chat. London session sounds amazing. Yeah, it does sometime, but it sometimes is, you know, I don't wanna say the word. It, it took me out for no reason at all. I don't know. At least I can't find the reason. Nicholas, thanks for joining the. So I bought two accounts and passed was 10K. I don't know what should I do. आगे जाओ यार और try करो. Just find out about their company if they pay. If you are in India right now and if they pay Indian traders, then definitely you should go ahead with it. 2500 आगे should I buy the top step 50K now? I'm gonna take to also is there a time limit to activate the account? Yeah, I think it's a 1 month time period at least. Or with Apex it is with top step I have always activated them as soon as I pass them, so I don't know the limit of it them, but at least I'll say 1 month. But you can ask them in that Discord somewhere. And yes, if you want to buy, you can buy 50K accounts if you are confident enough. Like if I blow up the account, does the same account rebuild or new account need to be taken? If you don't want, just cancel it out. And if you want new account as soon as possible, you don't have to wait for the rebuild. You can just cancel the previous account and buy a new one. Suppose I purchased 25K account and passed it and then blow my account. I don't know what you're trying to say, Anil. Can you rephrase that in any way? Suppose if I purchased 25K account and passed it, then if I blow my account 10 percentage. Not getting it, man. Yeah, seems like so. we are ranging. It would be beautiful, like if we can take out high in New York session or pre-New York session and then start dumping towards our buys. My bias remains the same, that we wanna go to this gap, but as you know, bias are not the only thing I take trades of. They're pretty smooth. Beside ICT, will you suggest any other YouTube channel for learning? Mayur Rajput, if you wanna learn discipline, there are some guys I do watch. They don't trade ICT, but still, for trades by Matt is one of them. MATT, trades by Matt, plus Hana Forex, right? She has a good channel going on. You can watch those people. They are pretty disciplined and what they do. Hana Forex does trade ICT. Yes. And that's how I found out about ICT as well, from her channel. Top step, yeah. Then is top step payout is smooth. Like I think smoothest one in any from any top prop firms. Like so you don't have to worry about them. They're gonna wire you money in your bank account directly. Same question like me, but after passing. The rules are the same after passing. Neil, if you are asking what yes is saying, rule remains the same after passing. They don't change it. Still targeting 19 March low, 19 March. Let me find out. If you are talking about these things, I think we already took out 19 March, right? Here, if you see it, this was 19 March low. We already took out that, but we are aiming for new lows like 15th of March and such. Like the stream, guys. Just if you are here, please do it. This candle spoiled everything for me. I was in a beautiful trade of sorts and dumb. Gotta take it as a man. Let's see what it does now. We have high above us. We have low below us. Let me know if one of you took any trades. And although you shouldn't be taking trades in London session, especially on Monday, but I do. Stupid, I am stupid. Ah, there's no music going on. All right, let's play some music here. I'm not gonna open. Come on, load up. All right. For some reason, it is leaving. For some reason. Yeah, I'm planning the same, Abhishek. So, by the way, my name is also Abhishek. I'm just waiting for any of those people. We got same name. I hope everybody is able. I will continue to take up potential as a there was some good and there